students, today we are going to learn about home of animals. So let's start. Where does a lion live? A lion lives in a den. Where does a tiger live? A tiger lives in a cave. Where does a rat live? A rat lives in a hole. Where does a dog live? A dog lives in a kennel. Where does a bird live? A bird lives in a nest. Where does a horse live? A horse lives in a stable. Where does a sheep live? A sheep lives in a pen. Where does a hen live? A hen lives in a coop. Where does a rabbit live? A rabbit lives in a burrow. Where does a honeybees live? Honeybees live in a hive. Where does a cow live? A cow lives in a shed. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.